Did you know animals live in the wide African savanna filled with adventure? From towering giraffes to speedy cheetahs, each animal has special skills and surprises. Let's explore 16 amazing savanna creatures and discover their secrets together.
Lion. Lion.
Lions are kings of the jungle, living in prides with strong family bonds. They roar to communicate across distances and hunt cooperatively. Males guard, while females are skilled hunters, showcasing teamwork, strategy, and courage in the wide, sunlit savanna grasslands.
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephants are huge and intelligent, using trunks to grab food, drink water, and communicate. Living in close family groups, they show memory and empathy. Herds protect young, explore rivers, and enjoy dust and mud baths to stay cool in hot savannas.
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephants are huge and intelligent, using trunks to grab food, drink water, and communicate. Living in close family groups, they show memory and empathy. Herds protect young, explore rivers, and enjoy dust and mud baths to stay cool in hot savannas.
Zebra. Zebra.
Zebras have black and white stripes that protect them from predators. They travel in large herds, grazing and communicating. Young zebras play while adults keep watch. Their coordinated movements across grasslands help them survive in sunlit plains, muddy riverbanks, and scattered acacia groves.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of incredible bursts of speed to chase prey. They use sharp eyesight and stealth to hunt efficiently. Solitary or mother-led, they rely on timing, agility, and open plains to evade danger while catching food successfully.
Leopard. Leopard.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of incredible bursts of speed to chase prey. They use sharp eyesight and stealth to hunt efficiently. Solitary or mother-led, they rely on timing, agility, and open plains to evade danger while catching food successfully.
Hyena. Hyena.
Hyenas are clever scavengers and hunters with loud, laugh-like calls. Living in structured packs, they hunt or find leftovers efficiently. Hyenas adapt to savannas and riverbanks, using teamwork, intelligence, and communication to survive and protect their young in open and bushy landscapes.
Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros.
Rhinos are large herbivores with thick skin and massive horns for protection. They enjoy wallowing in mud to cool down and repel insects. Rhinos navigate using strong senses of smell and hearing despite poor eyesight, surviving in wild savannas.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Hippos spend the day submerged in water to stay cool and avoid sunburn. At night, they graze on grass and can run surprisingly fast. They live near rivers and lakes, forming large groups while protecting calves from predators with strong jaws.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
Buffaloes are strong herbivores traveling in large herds for protection. They have massive curved horns and can charge predators when threatened. Living in grasslands and near rivers, buffaloes rely on teamwork and awareness of surroundings to survive, often moving together in coordinated groups.
Wildebeest. Wildebeest.
Wildebeests are known for massive migrations, traveling thousands of miles across savannas. They move in large herds, crossing rivers and plains while avoiding predators. Their coordinated movement, stamina, and alertness help them survive in diverse landscapes with grasslands, muddy rivers, and scattered acacia trees.
Baboon. Baboon.
Baboons are smart, social monkeys living in troops. They use vocalizations and gestures to communicate, groom each other, and protect the group. Baboons forage, climb trees, and interact playfully. Their adaptability helps them survive across rocky hills, grasslands, and riverbanks in sunny savannas.
Meerkat. Meerkat.
Meerkats are small, brave animals living in burrows. They stand on hind legs to watch for predators while others dig or play. Their social teamwork helps them survive in sandy plains and sparse vegetation, using vigilance, communication, and curiosity to protect the group.
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Ostriches are large flightless birds that run extremely fast to escape danger. They live in open savannas, lay giant eggs, and travel in small flocks. Their long legs and graceful movement help them navigate golden plains, scattered shrubs, and small sandy dunes.
Warthog. Warthog.
Warthogs have curved tusks and live in burrows. They run quickly and kneel on front legs to graze short grass. Living near rivers and open plains, warthogs adapt to hot days, hiding in mud and shrubs while protecting piglets from predators in their environment.
Gazelle. Gazelle.
Gazelles are swift, graceful antelopes living in open grasslands and scattered shrubs. They move in herds, using speed and alertness to survive predators. Their elegant leaps, keen eyesight, and coordinated movement help them navigate plains, riverbanks, and dry hills while staying safe. Safari animals are incredible. From mighty lions to speedy cheetahs, each has unique skills and secrets. Their teamwork, survival strategies, and playful behavior make the savannah a magical place. Remember these creatures next time you watch nature and explore the wild. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. Do share, like, and subscribe.